Last year and this year didn't rain enough. This is why it's really low. To be careful to climb the boat. Okay?
Yeah, what?
Yeah, well, it's like it's Disneyland, isn't it?
Look at him. Look at him. Have a look. Oh, bigger one. Oh, big one.
What, no fast food though?
Definitely no fast food, mate.
To prove that this is a floating island, you can see it literally sinking down here. Whoa! I think I need to put a few more reeds down.
Which one was the first one? This one?
This one gave it to
200.
200 how much?
1 month tobacco.